Hello everyone, welcome to Home and Hearty Cooking. Do share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for new updates on this channel. Many of us enjoy rains while others may not. However, water is essential for our survival and rains are very necessary. Though we can't stop our activities because of the rain, the weather often leads to coughs and cold. Here is an easy, quick and delicious remedy to beat colds and cough. It is convenient to carry, providing a natural remedy on the go, and it's called Suthilo. So let's start the recipe.